So this is a zeis ikon, sk6. I sent the question out to the guy that I got it from on eBay. He confirmed that it is just an older model that didn't have the trap pins in it, that didn't come with trap pins. But I seen a video of sk6 raking an asa. I forget exactly which model it was, but you know, these high security locks, you're not supposed to be able to rake them. So that got me thinking and wondering if maybe this could be raked. So I'm gonna use covert instruments, pry bar, 32 thousandths, top of the keyway, and just a covert instruments double peak rake. And yep, the sk6 can be raked.